Have you always wanted to learn a new language, but you just can't seem to find the time? You always have that excuse that there's never enough time in the day. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a fantastic app that will keep you from making those excuses, and so you can be on your way to learning a new language in just 10 minutes a day. So the app is called Ling, and first off, full disclosure, they did reach out to me to check out the app. I'm not getting paid anything from them. However, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback if you decided to go ahead and download the app for yourself using that link in the description. Alright, so the Ling app is a pretty nice app, I must say, really. After using it a few times to brush up my Spanish speaking skills, I took Spanish way back in high school, by the way, which was a while ago, but we won't get into the math on that, at least for today. And by the way, if you're like me and you just want to brush up on an old language that you took back in high school, or you want to learn a new one, or you're in college or something like that, which language would you want to know? Let me know in the comments below real quick. It'd be a fun conversation we can have. Now, the app is pretty easy to use and navigate. They have over 60 plus different languages that you can learn from for free without the in-app purchases if you choose to do that. Now, there are a variety of mini games and interactive learning techniques to dive into that make things fun and enjoyable as you learn. It actually is pretty fun. Now, the mini games include puzzles, who doesn't like those, quizzes, and other challenges that teach you how to read, write, and speak the languages. Now, each language has courses for all fluency levels from absolute beginner to very advanced. I'd still consider myself a very, very absolute new beginner on Spanish, by the way, even though I took it that long ago. Now, there is a pro subscription that gives you full access to all language lessons containing over 2,000 words and 4,000 sentences. So if you really want to take things to the next level, then go check those out. There are monthly, yearly, and lifetime subscriptions if you want to go on that route. I really won't go over the prices or anything on that. You can check that out for yourself. Now, one of the things I really like about the Ling app is as you learn the vocabulary, for example, there are options that have specific words and sentences you're learning that are spoken back to you at a normal pace or slowed down. You have the option to really kind of slow it down, because we all know it's tough to understand what's being spoken sometimes. So to be able to have that option and have it slowed down, it makes it a little more simplified in trying to figure out what the person is saying. But all around, it is a very nice feature to have. Now, you can also, of course, set daily reminders, a default voice speed, and even check to see what your fluency level is percentage wise. And your daily streaks of learning are on there as well. So you want to spend as much time, obviously, consistent level of learning a new language, because the more consistent you are, the more it's going to become second nature to you. Those are just some little things to motivate you and pat you on the back for the good job you're doing while you're learning the new language. So go ahead and download the Ling app and get started on learning some new languages. Get the kids involved or brush up your skills before returning to school. Simply use the link in the description that I mentioned earlier and go ahead and get started now. Like I said, let me know in the comments which language you already know. Do you know multiple languages? It'd be really cool to find that out. And check out some more videos I left right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.